Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do memory trend on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on plus icon and then you need to record a video. You can click on upload and select a random video and then you need to click on next. Wait for a few seconds, the video is now uploading. Once video is uploaded, click on voice effects and select echo here. Then you need to go back and then you need to click on sound and search here the first one that is trending now, memory, and then you need to click on volume and original sound 200 and edit volume 50, and then you need to click on next and post that video on the TikTok, and you can also share that on other social media platform. So by following these steps you can easily do memory trend on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.